it's possible to customize the logo and background at the dealer level. For this, there are specific names and dimensions to ensure the background and logo display correctly on both Android and iOS devices. During deployment, our implementation team assists by uploading a sample logo and background for you. Then you, along with your graphic design team, can create different backgrounds for each dealer by following the steps outlined in Infotech 269. It's recommended that the background be dark in color since the font is white. This contrast improves legibility and accessibility. Customizing icons in My Alarms should also adhere to specific names and dimensions for the app to recognize and display them at the correct size. To customize icons in the My Alerts tab, icon dimensions should be 257 x 257 pix. The naming convention for icons should match the event format in the case of events and match the button name in the case of links. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out via the ticket panel.